What's going on, guys? A little late night stream for you. See what everybody's up to. Gonna be honest, I was a little bit bored and wanted to see who's all up and who's all gonna pop in for the stream. So here I am. Figured I'd see what's up. Let's get into it, guys. Let's have a little chat. Let's do a little chatting here. What have we got? Nick first. Nice, brother. Nice. Austin, first a message, second to enter. Very nice, guys. How you guys doing tonight? Hopefully everything's going good for you guys. Do a little bit of looking at the market. Usually I don't stream this late, so I figured I'd pop on and see who's all out there, right? See who's all around. Nick, what is going on? How are you, man? Welcome in to the stream. Lily, how you doing, Lily? Good to see you, dear. Good to see you. All right, so yeah, hopefully we'll see some new faces tonight, see what's going on with everybody. Make sure, guys, if you're new here, you're smashing that subscribe button. Shay Boy, what's popping, buddy? What's going on, brother? Good to see you, man. Buck Snore, what's up, man? Some of the familiar faces popping in. Good to see you guys, man. Good to see you. Yeah, like I said, out of the ordinary, guys. Figured I'd pop in tonight, see who's all up, see who wants a late night stream. Definitely. Sean, how you doing, buddy? Haven't seen you in a while. Good to see you, brother. Good to see you, man. Let's have a little look around the market, shall we? Jasmy, down 4.8%. $908 million market cap, 1 cent 84. Not a bad opportunity, guys. It's a good opportunity tonight. Guys, look at Miria, man. Miria at an eighth of a cent. 9.5. Talk about an opportunity to fill up on more Miria. Swift coin back below a sixth of a cent. Wow, guys, there's some good opportunities out there right now. Algo 22 cents. I'm loving to see this, guys. I'm loving to see it. HBAR is still holding that concrete wall at 10 cents, though. Same with KASPA. There's some good opportunities out there right now, guys. Pith, OTK. Yeah, I'm loving what I see, guys. I'm loving what I see. Book of Memes, good entry point for Book of Memes, guys, if that's your thing. Do your thing, Rob. Just chilling here. Nice, Austin. Good to see you, brother. Good to see you. Even now I screwed up, took a loss, still up, big loss. What'd you take a loss on, man? Hate being European. The clock is 7 a.m., but good that I'm awake so I can watch your stream. Nice. I like to do different time frames, right? So I can get everybody in. I know there's people the other side of the world and stuff like that. So I like to try to get everybody in. It's only like 11:30 at night here, so not too bad. Rob, when do you sleep? No kidding, eh? No kidding, man. I'll sleep when I'm rich, okay? I'll sleep in a huge bed, half a kilometer long. Yes, I said kilometer because I'm Canadian. Hello, new to the channel. Welcome in. Welcome to the channel. Thank you for coming. Thank you for being here. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Welcome to the family, my friend. Awesome to have you here, man. Absolutely awesome to have you here. All right, guys. So what do we got going on out there today, eh? What do we got? Simon. Hey, Rob, did you see that Jasmy laptops are now available in India? This is huge. This should be... This could be the ticket out of the innovation zone. Yes, I saw that, Simon. I'm going to be talking about it probably tomorrow. So very, very bullish. Absolutely. Jasmy took 4K loss when oh, that's right. Yeah, you took a low note on that, right? You'll be able to make that back, though, brother. You'll be able to make that back. Bull run's coming, man. I've developed iBags since entering crypto a few months ago. Yeah, get used to it, man. Get used to it. If you didn't say I would never suspect you live in Canada. Yeah. Do I really honestly, give me your honest opinion, guys. Do I really say a lot? let me know. I don't catch myself saying that, obviously. So if I do say it, let me know, because it would be interesting. It would definitely be interesting. Yeah, guys, hit the subscribe button if you're new. Like I said, do us a huge favor. Helps the channel grow. Means a lot, guys. Definitely means a lot. And finally made it. Yeah, doing a late night stream for all of the people on the other side of the planet because it's early for you guys. So, figured we'd pop in, see what everybody's up to. Is too tall Jones too tall? Of course, you say. From the USA view, yeah, to me. Nice guys, real nice. All right, so no, you don't say that much. Accent's pretty cool though. Well, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah, good opportunities out there right now though, guys. Check out the market. It's looking juicy. It's looking good. I may do some more DCAing. I did a little bit of DCAing earlier. I let the members know my buy alerts. So definitely, guys, if you want my buy and sell alerts, just click the link in the chat. Become a member of the channel. Don't want to miss out on those, guys. Let's get into some of the news that's going on, guys. Let's have a look what's going on around here this evening. So Brian, friend of the channel, Jasmy Ambassador, says, long story short, this just goes to show how broad this partnership is. Dip Metaverse was nice enough to ask Hara how many PDLs we will have with Panasonic in JP fiscal year 2024 after this post of mine. Hara said 100K, which is exactly 1% of the Panasonic's goal of 10 million connected IoT users to home appliances in 2024. This is a standard type of business product rollout, and Dip will explain it in the spaces on Friday. So make sure you're there for that, guys. Yeah, so that's very, very bullish, guys. So they're already anticipating rolling in about 100K users in the first fiscal year. That's this year, 2024. 100 new users onboarded to the PDL. Sorry, I just say 100,000. Sorry, 100,000. And again, guys, I go over this because I get asked it all the time by newer people and stuff like that. But so people say to me, Rob, well, why do I care about how many users they're onboarding to the PDL? Well, very simply put, the more users on the PDL, every single one of those users has to lock up Jasmy Coin. And with Jasmy Coin being locked up in the PDL, that means that it's being taken out of circulation, right? Jasmy Coin being taken out of circulation means that the price appreciates due to supply and demand, right? That is why you should care how many people Janction onboards to the PDL, because it increases the value of your Jasmy Coin. So that being said, very, very bullish news, guys. 100K users in the Panasonic partnership. Well, how much is each one of those users going to lock up specifically, right? 10,000 Jasmy, 50,000 Jasmy, 100,000 Jasmy. All those Jasmy coins are being taken out of circulation. Very, very big news, guys, right? Very big news. What's up, Rob? Burning the midnight oil. Great to see. It's 5:30 a.m. in Ireland. Just getting ready for work. Great to have a live on this early. Thanks, brother. No problem, man. No problem, my friend. Hope you have a fantastic day at work today. I'm glad I could start your day on the right foot. Unless you hate hearing me, then I'm sorry I'm making your day start on a crappy foot. But that's awesome, man. That's awesome. I can't wait to visit Ireland one day. I cannot wait, man. So you is top holder of BTC USA selling. Don't forget yeah, that doesn't surprise me, man. That does not surprise me at all. Yeah, you're not wrong, man. You are not wrong. What else do we got going on here, guys? Can they do lockup from my wallet, or how does that work? Where do they pull those coins away from circulation? Sorry, stupid question, but the first time that's happening to me. No. See, they don't touch your coins, okay? The only way your coins get locked up is if you create a PDL, a personal data locker, right? On Junction. You have to create one. Think of it like creating a wallet, so to speak, right? Then to be able to use your PDL, you have to lock up Jasmy coin to do it. So you have to go in and actively do this yourself. They're not going to do it for you. They don't take your coins and lock them up. You have to do that. And guys, as soon as the PDL is launched and you have the ability to do this, I will be doing a tutorial video on how it all works. So do not worry. Don't stress about it. You will be able to participate. I got your back. I will be doing a tutorial video on it as soon as it comes out and I'm able to use it myself and learn how to use it. I will help you guys out, okay? So don't panic. Don't sit there going, oh my God, but how do I use it? How to figure it out? I will help you. I got your back. Rob's got the alpha. Crypto future. Let's get it. Rodney, okay, so I hear $1 all the way to $17.87 dollar by 2026. Not sure when I should cash out if I have 400. Well, Rodney, you're one of the members of the channel, so what I can tell you, brother, is that when the time starts rolling around for us to start taking profits in the altcoin season, like in the bull run and stuff, we're going to be doing members only live streams every single day, my friend. So we're going to be on top of every single altcoin that everybody's holding. In the member side, we're going to be looking at portfolios, how to dollar cost average out, how each crypto like Jasmy is currently performing at that time, whether it's smart to be taking profits or holding, how much you should take. We're going to be doing all that stuff with you guys side by side. Do not worry about that, brother. Trust me, Rob, in the place I work, you'll definitely not be worst person I have to listen to today. Well, that's good news. DCA out on the dips. Violator, what's up, buddy? Hey, what's up, Rob? Market is very slow today. I guess the retails aren't buying due to Bitcoin halving. Yeah, I mean, but hey, you know what, man? You know what? I'm buying like crazy. So I'm DCAing like a madman because I am not missing out on this opportunity, man. Again, this is once in a lifetime. Guys, listen, we're going to have, in my opinion, okay, we're going to have this bull run that we're currently in, right? And then we're going to have one more. We're going to have one more 4-year cycle. I mean, we're going to have more after that, obviously, but I'm talking big returns, big volatility, right? We're going to have until about 2030, in my opinion, to really, hammer it, make those profits, make those gains. And then, I mean, there'll be more chances after that, but it'll die down as we go, obviously, right? Little by little. So these next two guys, we really have to do it right. We cannot mess it up. So that's why you need the help here, guys. That's why you want to become a member. Click the link in the chat for that, guys. It's $4, guys. Honestly, it's $4. There's these other channels charging between $50 and $100. We're charging you $4. So definitely be a part of our community. Over 235 members, all there to help. So definitely want to join that. Great. That's a big relief. I appreciate all the advice. No problem, man. We got your back all the way, brother. All the way to the finish line. Anyone recommend a place to purchase KASPA? You can get KASPA just about anywhere. You could get it. Like we got L Bank is our channel sponsor here, my friend. You could get it there. You could get it on BitTrue. You could get it on KuCoin. You could get it on so many different places. Here, I'll actually bring it up. Just give me a second here. I'll show you. Right? I'll show you where you can get KASPA. You can get KASPA. Yeah, see Gate.io, KuCoin, Bybit, MEXC, BitGet. You can get it on L Bank if you can use L Bank. That's our channel sponsor, L Bank, by the way, guys. Yeah, you can get it lots of places. So there you go. There you go, man. Get it a lot of places. If you want to use LBank, then just use the link in the description down below and use our referral link for that. Also, I'll become a member soon, Rob. I'm strictly using Coinbase and not diversifying until 2026 bear market, and I'll get more useful platform to diversify. All Jasmy this run for me though. Nice. Well, listen, that's not a terrible idea, but there's more to just more to the member side than just the gems. It's also exit strategies. It's it's also like there's a lot of help, guys, because there's a lot to understand in a crypto market. There's a whole lot to understand, right? I've been doing this for like 5-6 years now, and I'm telling you right now, if I knew everything I know now back then, holy smokes, would I be wealthy right now, right? Holy smokes, would I be wealthy? But you kind of got to, I didn't have any help, and you kind of got to go through it, like to learn it, right? Unless you have help. That's why I tell you guys, become a member of the channel, join the community. You're going to get a lot of questions answered over there, a lot of help. So are you buying KASPA in the US? I'm in Canada. Buy the dip. Yes, Tiger, exactly. Buy the dip. Do you think Jasmy will be severely affected in price when the U.S. government dumping Bitcoin from the Silk Road? I think that is what I heard. Yes, my friend, if they actually do dump the 30,700 Bitcoin that they're holding, it will drastically affect the price of the altcoins. That being said, though, a couple things you have to remember. One, I'm not so sure that they actually can dump 30,700 Bitcoin all at once, because even though it's the government, it doesn't matter. For every seller, there still has to be a buyer, right? So they might have to still do it gradually, because no one's buying 30,700 Bitcoin all at once, right? So you have to remember that. Secondly, when they finally do, let's say they actually did dump 30,700 on the market all at once. Do you think for 1 second that BlackRock and Grayscale and Fidelity, sorry, not Grayscale, BlackRock, Fidelity, ARK Invest, all these other 9 hedge fund BTC ETF holders are not going to buy it up immediately? It's going to get bought up like crazy. You're going to have Cathie Wood will start buying like crazy. Michael Saylor will start buying like crazy. With the prices being down, suppressed that hard with that kind of selling pressure, 100%, man. 100% it would get bought up like that, in my opinion. So it would dump, but it wouldn't. The dump would not last more than a few weeks, in my opinion. What do you think about IoTEX? It's not a bad play. It's not bad. It's a decent IoT play. I've looked at it a few times. It's decent. It's worth holding for sure. It is worth holding. I do like it as a play for sure. There's a learning curve. Yes, absolutely. There is a learning curve, a big learning curve. Lord Stanley says buy Jasmy, 100%, 100%. So last flash crash, Jasmy went down to 1.5 cents. Do you think Jasmy will bleed until then? It's not really bleeding now. It's just kind of sideways, right? So I mean, Jasmy's still holding 1 cent 86. It's not. It hasn't even been down to 1 cent 5. So we'll see what happens. Again, a lot of the market's going to depend on the selling pressure from Bitcoin at this point in time, right? If we get a lot of sell pressure, a lot of outflows, then yeah, it's going to affect Bitcoin, or it's going to affect Jasmy and the rest of the alts in a negative way, right? So we have to just kind of play it by ear, and day by day, we're going to have to play it by ear and see what happens, right? If it's down, we buy. If it's up, nice, we're happy, right? Yeah, I'm in the US. Okay. I guess these whales are going to play baby games till the halving. Mine as well. The worst. Get out now. Do their worst. Yeah, that's the thing, right? I hope that they can suppress things, guys. I did a video talking about it earlier today. In all honesty, guys, I hope they push the price of the market down, because imagine, just imagine if you would, right? Imagine being able to pick Jasmy up below a cent again, right? Imagine getting Swift at like a third of a cent, right? KASPA at 5 cents or something like that, right? Fantastic opportunities out there, man. Fantastic, right? You know, a lot of these projects dumping back down, right? Crust back down below $1. That would be amazing. SEI back down around, you know, let's say 30 cents. Crazy, crazy. It would be absolutely fantastic. Quant under $100. Solana closer to $100. Super fantastic. Do it now. Dump it. KASPA buying in the U.S. What exchange is what I meant. If you're buying KASPA in the U.S., well, I mean, I don't know what exchanges you're allowed to use where you are, but you can get it on, like I said, Gate.io, KuCoin, Bybit, MEXC, BitGet, BingX, Bitmart, CoinEX, TapBit. You can get it. Oh, you know where you can get it in the States? Uphold. You can get it on Uphold in the States. So there you go. Yeah, I would say, you know, maybe go over to Uphold and get it there. Jasmy below a cent would be amazing. Yes, absolutely, man. Absolutely. Load up again. The truck is in reverse if that happens, man. Thank you. No problem, my friend. No problem. I got you. I got you covered, man. I got you covered. Guys, again, if you're new, please smash that subscribe button. We would love to have you as a sub. We'd love to. We need to help grow the channel out. It'd be awesome. Greatly appreciate it. What else do we got? Let's have a look at what else we got going on. See what Steph's got to say, guys. Right? Let's check this out. So the first Fibonacci support level for Bitcoin is the 236 Fib at approximately 57,001. My limit buy orders are set in case we see a test to this support level in the coming days. So that is how far down we could actually drop. Do I think it's 100% guaranteed? No, it's not. But it's possible, so we have to remember that, guys, right? So, again, that would be awesome. That would actually be awesome to see if, you know, 57K, not bad. We'd see a nice pullback. Subbed, I appreciate your command center. Thank you. Thank you so much. Welcome to the family, my friend. Welcome aboard. It's awesome to have you. Yeah, we're trying to push up to 5,000 subs, guys. So help us out. Click the subscribe button. I heard a lot of talk about a depression coming this year. Would this be positive for crypto? No, it would probably be negative. But you know what, man? Every year there's talk of depression, or, you know, like this. Every year there's this large economic, you know, rumor about a black swan event. Like till it happens, I wouldn't sweat it, my friend. I would not sweat it. Yes, you can get KASPA on Uphold in the U.S. Yep. So there you go. Perfect spot for it. Uphold is a good exchange. I have an account over there. I don't really use it often, but it is a good exchange, though. So absolutely. Absolutely. All right. What else do we got? All right. Let's have a look over here. Moving over. So the SEC typically collects 11% of unregistered sale claims, but in the Ripple case, they want 300%. This is what abuse of power looks like. Yes, exactly. And it's absurd, guys. They're not getting $2 billion, right? It's not going to happen. For me, it's a simple case of the SEC knew that the more you ask for, right? So if their real number is, let's say their real number is $1 billion, right? That's what they really want, okay? They know that if they ask for $2 billion, then settling around $1 billion, or to the judge, giving them $1 billion sounds more it sounds like less money for, because you know how much, no matter how, if you've ever done a negotiation before, always shoot high on your first request, right? Always aim high. Because the judge is then going to say 2 billion is too much. How would you feel about 1 when they really wanted 1 to begin with? Because if they said 1 to begin with, the judge would say, how about 500 million, right? So they're not stupid. This is a negotiation. They're not getting $2 billion. Like, it's ridiculous to think that. Absolutely ridiculous. Moving along there, the technical target of this head and shoulders breakdown for Jasmy remains at approximately 1.74 cents. My limit buy orders are set in case we see further downside in the coming hours. I agree. I have some buy orders put in as well, guys, just in case we get down that low, right? Last time I did that, I scooped up some of that beautiful Jasmy at a low price, so I'll probably put in another buy order down low, see what happens on the DL. You know what I'm saying? So we got Shiba Inu becomes a gold sponsor of token 2049 Dubai, participation by many celebrities. Nice. Shiba Inu is definitely not going anywhere, guys. I get asked about Shiba all the time. I made a decent little profit on Shiba Inu in the last bull run. I put like $500 into it, a little bit before, or sorry, $800 into it, a little bit before they sent most of the or 50% of the supply over to Vitalik Buterin, and I ended up walking away with about 10 grand on an $800 investment into Shiba Inu. So it wasn't a bad little return on that. I'll probably pick some more Shiba up before the bull market starts, to be honest. Probably throw another $800 in there, flip it back into another 10K or something, you know, something like that. Maybe crypto crashing due to the fact that April 8th could be the end of the. Why is it going to be the end? I never heard this before. You got to elaborate on that, Violator. You're welcome. I like Uphold and Coinbase. Yes, absolutely. Great platforms. All right, check this out. Former Sony president Ondo says that Sony turned down an offer from Steve Jobs back in 2001 to allow it to run Mac OS on VAIO laptops several years after the original Mac clone program ended in 1998. And so the vision of Jasmy began. 100%. Just let the ads play, my friend. Nice. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. I really do. It helps the channel. I love when you guys help the channel, right? It really helps trying to grow here, guys, trying to make this into something special. So all of the help definitely is appreciated. Jasmy from with this secure blockchain patented tech with no real competition, even big names like Google, Facebook, Microsoft, and Amazon are far away from such concepts of decentralized data democracy. Whenever Jasmy goes up, they will miss the train already. 100%. Shiba to the moon, average, nice. Yes, Shiba will have itself a good run, in my opinion. It'll do good. Yeah, they've definitely, broken out of the meme coin status, whatever you want to call it. Got some bullish news here potentially for Jasmy. Check this out real quick, guys. So, announcement of approach to major regulations on issuing RWA tokens. The Japan Crypto Asset Business Association has created the approach to major regulations on the issuance of RWA real-world asset tokens, led by NFT subcommittee. With regards to the RWA token, we have received many inquiries from businesses and others to the subcommittee, And in order to respond to their interest, we have organized a relationship with major regulations to the extent possible. In this way, we aim to promote the entry of business operators, provide appropriate and smooth operation, and ultimately provide the safe and secure usage environment for users, and foster a healthy market. The practice of RWA tokens is still developing, and the subcommittee will continue to follow up as the industry and market change as needed. There is no fixed definition of the RWA tokens, but a token that represents the rights to a tangible object that has economic value in the real world is sometimes called an RWA token. As of March 2024, the following items have been issued: NFTs of the rights to receive physical assets such as collector's items, alcoholic beverages, and gold, sometimes referred to as in-kind redeemable NFTs. 2, tokenized rights to use accommodations, ski resorts, restaurants, etc. 3, tokenized rights related to income-generating properties such as real estate and dividends, so-called security tokens. And tokenized rights related to intellectual properties such as copyrights. That would be something like data, your data. There are various schemes of RWA tokens, and various regulations need to be considered when issuing and selling them. The RWA tokens are issued and sold in accordance with various financial regulations, crypto asset security tokens, etc. And others are issued and sold without any financial regulations. NFTs, for this reason, it does not necessarily mean the RWA token equals NFT, but RWA token can be said to be one of the important categories of NFT use cases. We are organized and following regulatory points that should be considered mainly when issuing and selling RWA tokens. Financial regulators, Financial Instruments and Exchange Act, and other regulatory, and other regulations, Depository Act, warehouse. So, guys, very, very bullish. They are looking into, very, very quickly streamlining RWA regulations, and that is right down Jasmy's alley, guys, as an RWA project. Very, very bullish news coming out of Japan. I keep saying it, guys. More money is going to come into this space from the East than anybody is anticipating. I'm telling you guys right now, that is what makes me so bullish on Jasmy. We have Japan, Hong Kong, China, all talking about how they're jumping into Web3 with both feet. They plan on making a splash. Very, very bullish, guys. Very bullish in my opinion. Let's get back to the chat here. Solar eclipse prophecy state that April 8th this year will be the end of the world. That's what I read online. Oh, boy. Well, I mean, that's only 5 days away, right? So I guess we'll see. I would say that would suck, but if that's the case, none of us will know anyway, right? You won't even know. It's like getting hit by a bus. You won't even know what hit you, so. So go Jasmy, hurry up and make me rich. You got 4 days. Any thoughts on Parasic? I think we looked at that a couple of days ago. That's familiar. PARS. Yes. Yeah, we looked at this the other day. I think yesterday or the day before we were looking at this. Tokenomics are good. Yeah, we were bullish on this. We were definitely bullish on this project. Yes. Great tokenomics, good low market cap. I'm new to Jasmy. How would you describe it best? I would describe Jasmy best as a company or as a project, because this company is just doing massive things. And to be honest with you, with the potential of the PDL coming up, the best way that I would describe Jasmy is the most underrated gem that's going to surprise so many people in the next 2 bull markets. That's how I would describe it, to be honest with you. It's going to hit a lot of people out of left field that they're not going to know what happened, right? So, and when they start to realize what's happening, they're going to FOMO in like crazy. So that's how I would describe it, my friend. Oh yeah, I agree with that for sure. 2 days before my birthday. What a B-Day gift. Yeah. More money, more honey. Let's go, Jasmy. 100%. So when the world ends, do you think Jasmy will be available in heaven? I'm taking mine with me. I got my cold storage. I'm going to be like, bro, you got to let me bring this in with me, right? So, absolutely. Absolutely, man. Yes, guys, welcome in again. As I said, if you're new to the channel, don't be shy. Click that subscribe button. Help us out. It would be greatly, greatly appreciated. What else do we got? Let's have a look at this, guys. I wanted to cover this article real quick. So we got Bitcoin futures market signals prime buying opportunity soon. Bitcoin futures funding rates, periodic payments made between short and long traders may be signaling a potential price correction for Bitcoin in the future, which could present prime buying opportunities, according to market analysts. In a post shared on X on April 3rd, an analyst from on-chain analytics firm CryptoQuant reported that record long positive Bitcoin futures funding rates are signaling strong bullish sentiment. Future trading rates are a periodic payments that traders pay each other based on the difference between the price of the perpetual futures contract and the spot price. If the Bitcoin future price trades above the spot price, longs pay shorts the funding rate. Conversely, if the futures price trades below the spot, shorts pay longs the funding rate. However, historically, such optimism precedes price corrections, said analyst Crypto Sun Moon, before adding, a subsequent drop may offer a prime buying opportunity. Crypto Quant analyst Martoon also observed the rising Coinbase premium, which he said was a sign of U.S. institutions actively buying Bitcoin. This premium is the price difference between Coinbase Compare and global exchanges. Earlier this week, crypto derivatives tooling provider Greeks Live said that Bitcoin's continued decline was driving the crypto market down significantly, and panic spread across the market and futures premium levels falling. BTC has fallen around 9% over the past week, hitting a low of just below 65K. On April 2nd, it currently stands at 10.5% below the March 14th all-time high of 73.738. And it could drop further, according to IG market analyst Tony Sakamo. In April 4th post on X, the analyst predicted a drop support at around 60K or possibly lower. Analyst and trader Mustache told his 112,000 followers on X, it's completely normal that we see some corrections around the all-time high of BTC. It was the same in 2020, he said, before adding, after that, the all-time high was broke with force, and the legendary bull run continued. BTC pulled back around 17%, dropping to around 61,500 a week after its all-time high, then recovered to reclaim 71,500 in late March, before retesting again in April. So, volatility, but we are on our freaking way up, guys. Sir, I have 115% profit return in SHIB now. Should I sell the profit and invest in Jasmy right now? What do you recommend? Well, my friend, I cannot give you financial advice, but what I can tell you is what I would do. I would probably take out my initial investment or just my profits, and I would roll them into something else, whether it's Jasmy or whatever it is that you like, whatever it is you need to continue to fill up your bag on. That is what I would do, yes. But that's just me, right? When Jasmy goes to 20 cents, I can't wait to make an hour-long montage of all the ignorant fudders comments I've seen over the years. You got it. You got to send it over to me so I can play it on live stream. Man, I had no idea how many former Sony members run the company. Yes, that's the thing, guys. That's the thing I keep saying. I would take the team of Jasmy and put them up against any other team in crypto for sure. You look at the history. One of the key things you got to look at when you're looking at cryptos to invest in is the history of the team. What projects have they worked on in the past? How successful or unsuccessful have they been? And Jasmy, they come from Sony. And Sony, I would not really say was a failure of a company. So, little food for thought on that. Great way to understand how to do your research and stuff. Absolutely, guys. Absolutely. I'm up 130% on SHIB. I believe in SHIB holding strong. There's the process, more to come. Yeah, there definitely is. There's a lot more to come on every single altcoin out there. The altcoins, guys, haven't even started to run yet. Don't kid yourself. They haven't even started to run yet. So keep that in mind, guys. Keep that in mind. We got some more news coming out of Asia, guys. Check this out. Asian Bitcoin investors face volatility due to automated ETF trading bots. In Asia, investors face turbulent times as automated trading bots react to data streaming from spot Bitcoin exchange traded funds. A report from Bloomberg indicates that these automated trading bots are potentially causing significant market volatility. Shilang Sang, I don't know how to say that name, president of Arbolos Markets, acknowledged the role played by these automated bots, stating, from the algorithmic trading perspective, robots can automatically crawl and trade based on this data. It seems that this is what's been happening now. Following the conclusion of trading in the U.S. stock market during Asian hours, information regarding the daily demand levels of these spot Bitcoin ETFs spread across the cryptocurrency market. On April 2nd, Bitcoin witnessed a plunge during the Asian trading session, coinciding with reports of investors withdrawing funds from these ETFs. According to CoinGecko data, Bitcoin's price plummeted to 64,650 on April 2nd, marking a loss of approximately 6% within a day. This downturn triggered a spike in volatility across the broader crypto market. As of the time of writing, Bitcoin stands at around 66K. The approval of multiple spot Bitcoin ETF applications by the US SEC in early January injected approximately $12 billion in net inflows into the market. The peak of ETF inflow coincided with Bitcoin's new all-time high of $73,737 in mid-March. However, subsequent periods of outflows have contributed to Bitcoin's current decline in nearly 10% from its peak. On Monday, April 1st, spot Bitcoin ETF flows returned to negative territory once more, as there was another significant outflow from Grayscale and a smaller one from ARK21 shares. According to data from Farside Investors, the combined outflow for the 11 spot-based investment products amounted to $85.7 million, equivalent to 1,200 BTC. Commenting on this development, Bloomberg's ETF analyst James Seyffart expressed surprise, stating, "Honestly, higher than I expected." Before further noting, thought this would have slowed down by now. And I gotta say, I feel the same way, guys. I thought the outflows would have slowed down by now. It's only a matter of time. Like I said about 2 weeks ago, guys, 2.5 weeks ago, at the pace that Grayscale's going, they only had about 96 days left before they were completely out of Bitcoin to outflow, right? So that was 2 weeks ago. So they got to be starting to run low at some point here. These outflows got to be dissipating at some point here. Galaxy Digital CEO Michael Novogratz had previously predicted the possibility of corrections and market consolidation in early March before Bitcoin surged to new highs. Despite the market's overheated state, Novogratz maintains an optimistic outlook for the future. He anticipates potential approval of spot Ethereum ETFs by the SEC later in the year. So, guys, like I said, these outflows, they got to die down at some point. They don't have very much left. They must have probably 65, 70 days left of this kind at this pace that they're selling. They got about 65, 70 days left, and then they're completely bone dry with none left, right? And you have to think they're not going to sell 100% of what they have. So it's got to die down much sooner than 65, 70 days. I give this another month tops, and that would be it, in my opinion. The outflow pressure is gonna have to dissipate unless Grayscale truly plans on offboarding 100% of their holdings, right? And I can't see that happening. I'm glad I found your channel this early, sir. Thank you, sir, for your hard work. Oh, hey, no problem. Thank you so much. I'm glad that you're here, my friend. If you notice, SHIB donated a lot of coins to help India COVID. Yeah, that was last bull run, right? They're returning the favors to India, definitely in on it. Yeah, that was like that was around the Vitalik Buterin time, wasn't it? Something like that. Didn't Vitalik donate his there or something? Something like that. Something like that. So yeah, I don't know, guys. Let's you know what we're gonna do here? I'm gonna field some questions, guys. Start putting some questions in the chat for me if you have any. And I am going to put up the Jasmy chart. We can watch that while I answer some of your questions. And yeah, so we'll see what's up. What do we got here? All right, so let's watch this. All right. Let's throw that chart up there. What do we got? What do we expect Jasmy to do this bull run? I'm thinking somewhere around $1 by the end of the year. Potentially $1, between $1.30 and $2 by the end of the bull run. We'll see what happens. That's kind of where my targets are. Yeah, he did. Been holding since. Okay. When is the lockup? They're supposed to be locking up 100 million coins this month, from my understanding. If you only had 1,000 to put into 5 altcoins, which altcoins would you choose? If I had $1,000 to put in, I would not be spreading it across 5 altcoins. That's for sure. I would probably pick 2, right? I'd probably pick 2 altcoins to put it into. Now, if I didn't have any Jasmy, I would put 500 into Jasmy, and then I'd probably pick something like Swift Coin or XCN, something like that to put the other 500 in. That's what I'd do. I would split it 50-50, kind of like that. I wouldn't spread it across 5. Jasmy 33 or 66 cents too, right? But I'd love $1. 66 cents is conservative at this point. Funky, I'd pick up some Swift, Flare, XCN today. I picked up nice. Oh, those are all fantastic projects, brother. That is a nice little DCA you did there. Absolutely love it. You love to see it, man. You love to see it. Yes. As always, guys, make sure coming into to the chat, make sure you are smashing the subscribe button. Help us out. Help us grow. If you're watching on X, follow me over there. It would definitely mean a lot. So, yeah. Guys, got any other questions going on? Anything else you guys want to know about? Let me know. Let me know. I just started a new fresh candle. Let's go, baby. I'll have the live chart streaming a little bit later, too. Just found Black Dragon coin. Is this a real coin? Black Dragon coin. I found one called Black Dragon. Is this the one you're talking about? $8 million market cap. Most of the supplies in circulation. Oh, it's on Near. Look at that. It's on Near protocol. Very cool. All-time high 7 days ago. What do they do? Is it a meme coin? Black Dragon, second generation meme coin that emerged from the depths of the Near protocol. Yeah, I mean, seems like a decent little meme coin over on Near. Funny, all these networks are now trying to get as many meme coins on there as they can, right? But yeah, seems like a decent little play. What's your thoughts on $17 in 2026? I think that if I'll tell you this, that's the team's number, right? The team's goal is $17. $17 like 87 cents or something like that, right? So what I would say is this. When it comes to this team, I have 100% confidence in their ability to reach their targets. That's what I would say. They've never really failed, right? And even if they only hit 50%, even if they only hit half of their target, right? Guys, what is that, like a $8.30 Jasmy, something like that? So yeah, I have faith in the team. That's all I can really say, I guess. That's why I'm not selling. I'm holding half my bag no matter what. I'm not selling 50% of it. So utility. Yeah. Thoughts on Gala? I love Gala. I think that the fear, the FUD has kind of died out from the lawsuit. It's kind of like white noise now. People don't really care about it anymore. I think Gala's going to do very well. Probably get somewhere around 65 cents. I don't think it'll get back to its all-time high because there was just such a big coin token dilution in the bear market. But they still will perform admirably. They will have a good run, in my opinion. They're still doing a lot with Gala Films, Gala Music, and Gala Games, right? They're doing big things. So Gala should do okay, in my opinion. Thanks for your Jasmy content. I've been up since investing. So these current dips are aren't phasing me much. Nice. That's the plan, man. That is the plan. I'm glad you're up, Jack. It's glad to have you here, brother. Thank you for supporting the channel, man. Heck yeah, I'll take $8. Exactly, 100%, right? Any other top picks on coins besides Flare and XCN? I mean, there's so many good ones, guys. Arrow is another good one right now. You know, what else are we looking at? I really like Type AI. It's an AI play. I really like that. Guys, if you listen, guys, this is why I keep telling you guys to become a member of the channel. Projects that we call, like, we've been hitting them out of the park. We called Type AI early. I put $500 into it, guys, and a lot of the members bought in on it too when I called it. My $500 is $12,000 right now on that play, and I'm still holding, right? You want to get in early on those plays, guys. That's the thing. You get in early, you get gains. You get in later when they're listed everywhere and the bigger influencers are talking about them. It's way too freaking late, guys. So click the link in the chat. Become a member, guys. You definitely don't want to miss those opportunities. $500 into 12 grand. That's a hell of an opportunity. And all the members made money on that too, guys. They're all, for weeks, that's all they were talking about. Oh, man, we made so much. What a good call that was. Blah, 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 right? Is it possible to reach $17 like they say in 2026? Doesn't the best market start that year? The bear market, you mean? Yeah, the bear market is supposed to start in 2026. So we'll have to see how it goes. I mean, who knows? I have no idea, to be honest with you. The team clearly knows the cycles. They clearly know. I mean, who knows? Maybe we'll have to wait. Maybe we'll have to wait until 2029, 2030 bull run. But I'm willing to do that for $17. Are you? Right? Doge prediction this run. I think Doge is going to finally smash $1. I think Doge will do it this time. The community is just too strong. It's too big for it to not happen. Doge will break $1 in this bull run. What do you think of meme combat? I actually like it. I actually do. Fax brought that over to us like a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago or something. And it's actually, I'm very, very bullish on it. What was that call? What do you mean? What was what call? The call that I turned $500 into 10,000? That was on Type AI. Do you think Jasmy could hit 3-digit mark by the next bull run? 3 digits? No. 3 digits is ridiculous, right? Definitely not 3 digits, my friend. Any bull run predictions for XCN? Not yet. I don't have a prediction on XCN for the run. I mean, listen, right now, what are we at? Almost 1/3 of a cent, something like that. Where is it? Where is XCN? Where is XCN? I'll just look it up. XCN. All right. So XCN, right? It's almost 1/3 of a cent, a second of a cent, whatever, a 20th of a cent. I mean, if we can get XCN to 40, 50 cents, I'd be happy, to be honest with you, right? It's got a very low market cap right now. Tokenomics are good. So yeah, that's where I'd like to see XCN. Do most people just use Coinbase? No. People who are members of the channel, most of them do not. I mean, they use Coinbase, but if you want to get in early on projects and stuff, man, you can't rely on Coinbase. They're like they're the exchange that is like the last to list anything. You will miss every single catalyst out there if you are relying on Coinbase to pick your microcap gems and stuff like that. If all you're looking for is like Bitcoin and Ethereum and Cardano and XRP and stuff like that, Coinbase is great, right? But if you want to get in early on projects and stuff, you can't rely on Coinbase for that stuff. You got to start learning how to use MetaMask, Trust Wallet. You got to start learning how to use these decentralized exchanges and stuff like that. That's what I would say about that. Zach, I made 4K off Type AI thanks to Rob. Thank you, brother. Good to see you, by the way, Zach. Good to see you in there, brother. Welcome in, man. I was wondering if you were still going to be up. Yes. So, again, guys, if you're new, I see a lot of new faces in here. Make sure you guys are smashing that subscribe button for me. Let's keep this channel growing. We're trying to press the 5K, guys. Trying to press the 5K. So click that subscribe button. It'd be greatly appreciated. Oh, there we go. We got a new member. Look at that. And Keith. I think I said your name right. I hope I did. Welcome to the member side, my friend. Welcome to the family. On Sunday, I will say this. We do members only live streams on Sunday afternoon. So make sure you're there for that. We will be there to help you with your questions and all that stuff. So another perk of being a member, we do the members only live streams every Sunday afternoon. You do not want to miss those. That's where we look at microcap gems and stuff like that you can get into very, very early. So I use Coinbase. I have MetaMask. Kind of confused, but need to start cleaning up at work. Peace. All right, Buck. You have a good day, brother. You have a good day, man. Great, Rob. Thanks. I appreciate your insights as always. No problem, man. No problem, fam. I got you covered. So yeah, guys. What you got? Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. You said it right. Absolutely. Hey, Rob, do you ever sleep? I try, but the brain doesn't stop, right? Whenever I lay down in bed, usually I got to wait till I'm like incredibly tired because the brain just goes. I lay in bed and I think about this project versus that project. What's the latest news on this project? How's that going to affect things moving forward? What am I going to talk about with you guys tomorrow morning, right? I gotta, have everything going. It's crazy. What's your next vacation you want to take, Rob? Honestly, if I got to be honest, I really want to go to Scotland. I'm 90% Celtic. I've never been there. I have family there. I'd really like to go and meet my family and stuff. So I would say probably Scotland, right? Lord of the Realm, what's up, buddy? What is going on? Zach, can't believe I made it through another one. I just woke up. Nice. Keep this schedule. I figured, you know what? I figured I'd hop on late and see who's all out there, see who's on. I honestly wasn't expecting many people to pop on. So, our bubbles are turning dark green. Market must be pumping. Is it turning dark green? Let's have a look. On crypto bubbles, you're saying? On the hour. Oh, yeah, they are turning dark green. Look at that. It's a good hour. It's a good hour, guys. There. I like this look. This looks like a good look, right? We'll leave it like this. Everything's green. Fantastic. Super fantastic. Sleep during the bear market. Yes, exactly. I'll sleep in the bear market. I hibernate. Welcome to the members family. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. Thank you for that, my friend. Yeah. Trying to see if we got anything else going on out there, my friends. Jasmy Sony announcement has to be coming soon, right? They're definitely talking with. Well, Hara even went as far as to say that much in his second last AMA. He talked about being in talks with Sony about utilizing the GPUs in the Sony PlayStations, right? So you're absolutely right there. It has to be coming, in my opinion. I think a video showcasing your computer and monitor setup would be awesome. Like, you want to see my setup, what I have going on here? Interesting. Zach with the super chat. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much, man. Join the members side. Zach says your financial freedom depends on it. Zach, I love you, brother. I love you. I'm going to start doing more late night videos just because I love you so much. Oh, man. Thanks, Zach Jones. Let's get rich together. 100%. Would you buy now or wait? And if so, what price? Are you talking about just DCAing? I would be buying. I already did some buying today, guys, honestly. The members get my buy alerts, what I'm buying, when I'm buying it, and stuff like that. So what I would say is, yeah, this is a fantastic DCA opportunity. I wouldn't ape into anything. I would dollar cost average, right? I'd put a little bit in, save some in case we go down further. That kind of thing is what I would be doing. So yeah, guys, I mean, this honestly, I've said this before. I said it the other day, and I just kind of want to reiterate it a little bit because, people really need to understand that crypto is not as complicated. I mean, there's a lot to learn. There is definitely a lot to learn, right? But in saying that, the reason that there's a lot to learn is because there's a lot of manipulation in crypto, right? Which can really play on your emotions and cause you to make a lot of mistakes. But at the end of the day, if you really boil crypto down, it's really very simple. It really, really is very simple. The problem is people overthink it. They talk themselves out of things or into things and make stupid decisions based on emotion, right? Crypto is very, very easy. People overthink it, right? I'll give you a perfect example, guys, okay? 2022, we spent almost the entire year falling down to the bottom of the bear market, right? So what did I do? I sat on my hands in terms of crypto. I worked hard. I saved up as much money as I could, right? Because I knew once we dropped down to the bottom at the end of 2022, The market was going to be down between 85 and 95%. And then I started deploying my capital when the market was down 85, 95%, right? And then I continued to do that. I started with blue chips, right? The higher cap cryptos, because they're down at their lowest prices. So I started stocking up on things like Chainlink and XRP and Cardano and, Polkadot, all of Ethereum, all of the bigger caps, right? Because they're at the lowest, right? Then when I got like Algorand, HBAR as well, once I filled up my blue chip bags, guys, I was free after that for the next year and a half, right? To pick medium cap, stupid hiccups, medium cap gems and stuff, and low cap gems that I could stockpile. So I started finding projects like KASPA, right? Like Pith Network, right? And started stockpiling those, and just buy all through the bear market. And I'm still buying because we're still in the accumulation phase, right? And then, guys, listen, about 4 months, 5 months from now, it's going to be time to stop buying. It's going to be time to sit on your hands again and wait for the market to pump and go euphoric, right? Go parabolic. Then, if you learn the markets, right? Usually, guys, about 500 days from the Bitcoin halving to the top of the market is an average of about 500 days. So if you can figure that out and you can start dollar cost averaging out of the market, when you start getting close to that mark, right? Let's say 410 days, you start dollar cost averaging out of your positions, right? Then you put it all into stable coins, do whatever the hell it is you want to do with your money after that. And then guess what? 2026, we're going to spend the whole year, just like we did in 2022, falling down to the bottom of the next bear market. And then what do, guys? We take the profits we made from this bull run and we put them, we start doing the same thing. We start buying the blue chips, right? When they're at their lowest, stockpile a nice bag of each of them. Then you start looking at the micro cap and the medium cap gems again. You rinse and repeat. It's really not that complicated, but people overthink it, right? People, because of all of the dips that happen throughout an entire market, people overthink it. They talk themselves out of projects that they once had conviction in because they don't do their research, right? The best way to have conviction in your projects and not be shaken out of them is to make sure you're doing your own research into them, because then when you hear or read something stupid, you can just tell yourself, that's not true. I did my research. You're not shaking me out of my bags, right? So it's really not that complicated, guys. It really, really isn't. It's a matter of not talking yourself into doing stupid stuff, right? Not listening to FUD and researching projects and just dollar cost average. That's really all it takes to make life-changing money in this market. Everything else is just bullshit and fluff, right? Everything else is. So when you're talking about, like you get these people saying, start doing leverage trading and all this other kind of why mess with it? Why mess with it when you can make life-changing wealth by simply sticking to a strategy of dollar cost averaging and being patient? That's all it takes, guys. That's it, right? It's really that simple. Some people don't have the patience, though. That's the problem, right? Would it be a mistake to sell and re-enter at a lower price? Yes, in my opinion, my friend, it absolutely would be a mistake, because you might not get lower prices, right? You might not get them. And then you're screwed, right? That's why you just DCA. I will never not laugh at Cardano. I know. Jim Cramer. Now I can't call it anything except for Cardano because of Jim Cramer. Good strategy. Absolutely, man. I just sold all my Polkadot and Goldfinch. Wish me luck. When do you think we'll find out about the 30,000? Honestly, I think it's going to be a periodic thing. I think they're going to do it like on a monthly basis or something like that, because like I said, guys, this is crypto, just like stocks. For every seller, there has to be a buyer, right? They can put a sell order in for 30,700 Bitcoin, but who the hell's buying that many Bitcoin at once, right? So I don't see how they're going to be able to dump that on the market unless they do it OTC or something, right? And if they do it OTC, well, then that's not that big of a deal because it won't affect the price of the market, right? So if they do it periodically, whatever, it is what it is. We'll just have to wait for that selling pressure to dissipate, right? Maybe in chunks of like 3 or 4, they'll probably do it in chunks of like 3 or 4, something like that. So like 8 or 9,000 at a time, something like that. Oh my God, BTC autocorrect. I like the Goldfinch play. Yes, me too. Dot wasn't moving in the charts from the past and present didn't look bullish. Better to convert to Goldfinch. Yeah, I mean, it's not a bad idea. There's probably better ROI. There's probably better return on investment for sure in Goldfinch, right? So definitely not a terrible idea. Yeah, so market doesn't look terrible, guys. Nice and green on the hourly, so we'll see what happens. But anyway, I think I'm going to go throw a movie on. Oh, my back's itchy. Oh, I'm going to go toss a movie on, guys. Chill out, relax a little bit. Yeah. Thanks, guys. I really didn't think anybody was going to be on tonight, but thank you guys for showing up. Thanks for being here, man. Maybe I'll do these late night ones a little more. If you guys, let me know if you guys want me to do these a little more often. Because I don't mind them. I never do them because I usually figure that nobody's going to be on this late. Apparently, except for Zach, right? So absolutely. Thanks, Rob. No problem, brother. No problem. Take care. Enjoy the live stream. Thank you. Thanks for the support, guys. Again, if you want to support the channel further, definitely click the link in the chat, guys. Become a member or click the join button on the bottom of any video. New sub here. Thank you so much for subscribing, my friend. Thank you for the support. Like I said, it means a lot, guys. It really, really does. So that is absolutely fantastic. It's 1:40 in Ontario. Yes. Yeah, 12:40 here in Manitoba, brother. I'm an hour behind you. Thanks for everything. My pleasure, my friend. My pleasure. Glad to see you on. Thanks, man. I'll try to do these late night ones a little more often. Zach, yeah, I'll be here. Nice, Zach. Nice. I'm gonna do a late night one tomorrow, Zach, just for you, buddy. Where do you buy Swift coin? Right now, I'm buying Swift coin I'm buying it over on KuCoin right now. That's where I'm buying mine. But let's see. I don't know if you can use KuCoin where you are. So you can use your MetaMask to get it. You can get it on Coinbase, OKX, HTX, KuCoin, Gate.io, MetaMask, PancakeSwap. So if you're in the States and you can't use KuCoin, the best place to get it would probably be Coinbase. Have a good night, Rob. Thank you. Thank you. No problem. Thanks all. Where in Canada are you? So I know your time zone. I am in Manitoba. So I'm in the central time zone. Thanks for another great stream, Rob. Hey, thanks for being here, guys. Honestly, I didn't think there was going to be 20 people here, man, because I don't do these late night ones often. So thank you guys for being here, man. Thanks for showing up, just like you guys always do. All right, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. We have a morning live stream tomorrow, so don't miss that. Also, guys, tomorrow I have Spencer coming on the live stream from Jasmy US. If he doesn't postpone again, he's postponed on me twice. Hopefully tomorrow he can make it. He's scheduled to make it. So keep an eye out for that, guys. Spencer from Jasmy US will be here tomorrow on the live stream. Probably in the late afternoon to evening live stream, not the morning one. So in the morning, you just get this pretty face here. So all right, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow.